Hi everyone, I am Samidha Hegde. I am interning with LEXIS and Company. I am a third-year law student studying at Ramai College of Law, Bangalore, and today I am going to be explaining you about Prospectus under Companies Act 2013. So let's understand what is prospectus. So prospectus is basically a legal document that is issued inviting the public to subscribe for securities. Now only a public company can issue a prospectus, and this is not for private companies. So when a public company is incorporated and they want to commence their business, they need capital. So where do they get their capital from? To acquire capital, they need to issue shares and debentures, and to issue shares and debentures, they will need to issue a prospectus. So prospectus is that document which invites the public to subscribe to the shares and debentures of the company. Now, so the main contents so the main elements of this um, of prospectus is that the document invites subscription to public share or debentures or deposits. The invitation is made to public. The invitation is made by the company or on behalf of the company. The invitation is related to shares, debentures, or such other instruments. Now remember that this is not an offer, this is an invitation to offer. If you have studied Contracts Act, then you know what is the difference between um, invitation to offer and offer. So here the company has rights to reject the applicants if they wish to do so. If they receive overwhelming response, if there are too many applicants, then the number of shares, then they can reject any number of applicants. So that is why this is an invitation to offer and this is not a general offer. So when is this prospectus not issued? So if this is not prospectus is not issued when shares and debentures are allotted to existing shareholders. This is you issue a prospectus to public when um, you need another amount of fund, that is it could also be made for during expansion of your business, and it is not issued when it is specifically barred by law, that is private companies cannot issue prospectus because they are not allowed to issue shares to public. They are not allowed to invite the public to subscribe to their shares. So what are the contents of prospectus? So the general contents of the prospectus are name and address of the company, where the company is registered, what kind of business or sector the company does business in what sector does the company does business in, and then name and address of the trustees and lead management, and opening and closing date of issue of shares. These are some of the general information. Other than that, we have capital structure of the company is disclosed. uh, in that, how many shares are issued, subscribed number of shares, paid up capital, and how many number of shares are presently in the offer, that is size of the present issue of shares. um, then we have terms of the present issue. For example, authority of the issue, terms of payment, and time and schedule of payment, how to apply, availability of prospectus, and if there are any special tax benefits that are given to these shareholders. And then after this we have the financial affairs of the company mentioned in the prospectus. For example, balance sheet, profit and loss of the company, um, any change in accounting policy during the last 3 years. Then we have stock market quotations of shares and debentures. Then uh, other details of all the payments, refund, interest, dividends, etc. Um, so all of these things are mentioned in the prospectus. All these are given so that the shareholder can make a informed decision, because if I'm investing money in a company, I would like to know I would like to know the details of the company before I make an investment, because I do not want my investment to go into loss. So that is why all this information are mandatory to be disclosed. Prospectus can be in any form, like advertisement, circular, notice, or in any form. But it is a legal document that is issued to public to invite them for subscribing to the securities of the company. So that is all about prospectus. I hope you liked today's video. I have also made other videos. Do check them out, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the notification button for more updates. Thank you.